Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use S Pen navigation gestures in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on S Pen and here click on air actions. Now first of all, turn on this air actions button. So if you have turned off this button, then turn it back on, and after turning it on, scroll down and here these are the S Pen gestures you can use. So if you don't know how to use the navigation gestures, then just simply tap on learn now and here it will show you how to use the S Pen navigation gestures. So that's how you can use the S Pen navigation gestures in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.